Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow message requests from everyone in Instagram in 2024. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to get message requests from everyone very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Instagram app icon and tap on your profile picture, which is located in the bottom right corner, and go to the menu bar or tap on this three horizontal line which is located in the top right corner, and this type of interface will be shown, and tap on the settings and privacy and scroll down. And in the section of how others can interact with you, there is an option of message and story replies. Tap on that and you can see the option of message control. Tap on that, and here you can see the option of your followers on Instagram. Tap on that and tap on the message request and get back and tap on the others on Instagram again. Tap on the message request again. This is how you can allow message requests from everyone. Even your followers and unfollowers friend can message you. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.